of things, but the inward significance. The king is here to show the inward significance of what he stands for by awarding these great personalities that we've mentioned and eulogized at this point. Put your hands together as we get ready for the climax of this event. But before that, one song from our folklore, Eja Konimos Band. So now, when you hear your name, okay. First recipient, Ablade Glover, a painter with childlike curiosity. First recipient of the award. When you hear your name, you come and pick your award. Please put your hands together for Professor Ablade Glover. Yeah, please. That handshake is very, very important and is full of blessing. Next recipient, Atu Delaki, Renaissance artist. Atu Delaki, Renaissance artist. And Uncle Atu is closely followed by El Anachu, prodigious installation artist. El Anachu. Next in line, Francis Kwete Ni Owu, touch of bronze. Francis Kwete Ni Owu, touch of bronze. Then we have Francis Ademola, Lady of the Loom. Francis Ademola, Lady of the Loom. Right after that, we have Peggy Appiah. Peggy Appiah, folklore princess painter, collector, and author. Peggy Appiah. Yeah. Next is Kwame Akoto, a rebel becomes public artist. Kwame Akoto, a rebel becomes public artist. And then Melanie Kasisi and Swopa. The Swopa is an acronym. Melanie Kasisi and Swopa. Melanie Kasisi and Swopa. That's a surprise for the king. Artwork. Now, Nana Opoku Amponsa Jumfo of Nsuasi. Nana Poku Amponsa Jumfo Nsuasi. And the last, but not the least, Ganata College of Art and Design. Now, if you picked an award, it means you have to come for that last photograph. All of you, those who picked the award. But Ganata College of Art and Design are coming for the award now. Ganata College of Art. And when they finish picking the award, all the recipients, you pick that last, or you take the last photograph for this Royal Majesty. That rare photograph is important for the sweat and the hard work. So if you picked an award, please join Ganata and the rest of them for the photograph with His Majesty, and then he will come for his, he will deliver his message. But also, the award Nibia, no money or hincha picture, last one, just once, and then that's it. So all of you, I mean, those who picked the award, Abladi Glover, Arthur K, L, Anachi, Francis Cote, Francis Ademola, Peggy Apia, Kwame Akoto, Melanie Kasisi, Nana Poku Amponsa, and Ganata College. This group picture is very, very important. So, after this group picture, His Majesty will make his way to the podium for his address. UNESCO, can you please join the photograph for us? Yeah. Thanks so much for the support. You've done so well.